Hey Lee, my name is Janice Miller, and in this video, I'm going to show you 3 things that you can do today to help bring in more customers to your business. You might be asking why making this video for business owners. We already found out a while ago that a lot small business owners spending all their time taking care of their customers, and they really do not have time to learn how internet can benefit them and bring more customers. Sometimes the only hesitation they have to hiring someone, they don't know who is an expert and who is not. I have found by giving people an easy free templates of actual things they can do to impact their business for free has resulted in some of those local business owners still asking me, "Oh Janice, I would like you to take care of this for me." So if by the end of this video, you like what you heard and you can see that I have a lot of tricks up my sleeve that can help your business with, shoot me a message back and we can chat. Or if at the end of this video, you simply want to use it by your own, by all means, that's okay. This is free education. So now let me show you 3 things that will set your company above your competition is content, backlinks, and citations. And I see that your website, it looks so great, and there's a number to call directly here. But as I see that you do not have enough of content, because in Google like to see at least 1500 words to 2000 words, and also depend on your competition too. Google like information, so your content need the right keywords which able to be searched in Google when people looking for your service at your area. And also as I see that your photos do not have the right keywords too. So it's highly recommended to put in the right keywords for all your photos so they're able to be searched in Google for your website. And I'm using this keyword to search, which is plumbing in Ellicott City, Maryland. This is the Google guarantee. And this is the Google Map Pack that we call it as a citation. A citation is anywhere your business name, number, and address are shown exactly as per your Google business profile. Citations help you rank in this map pack here, which is extremely important for local business since this can generate huge amounts of revenue, especially when you are on top 1 here. So citations include directories like Yelp, NG, Expertise, BBB, and hundreds of others that you may have heard of. Social media accounts are great too. The idea is that your brand begins to be found by Google all over the internet. The larger your online presence is, the more Google trusts you. Once Google sees you more often than these competitors, the more likely it is to rank you above them. So the next thing I would like to talk about is organic listing. This is the, you have to be on top 3 here, but of course do not include the directories website. And I'm using this program named Ahrefs. This is your website of a simple analytic of here. UR is the power of your site in Google. DR is the trust of your site in Google. So both of these number here have to be at least 30 to 40 is considered a strong site. So you have to boost the number here so that Google can trust you more. As for your backlinks, you have 23 and your referring domains is 13. A backlink is anywhere you find one website linking to another via clickable or hyperlink text. This link act like endorsement of your website from others, which Google use to build trust in your business by seeing others vouching for you. It's literally like a popularity contest where the person with the most wins people pointing at them. However, not all links are created equal, so it's worth nothing relevant to your industry and local website will work best. As for your keywords, you have 5 and your monthly traffic for your site is 2 only. So I'm going to show your competition for their website analytics. As you see, they have backlinks 413, their referring domains 177, and for the keywords is 1400 and their monthly traffic is 846, which you might be missing out a lot of clients from here. So you can go to your competition to their referring domains here by copy all their backlinks by choosing the high DR, just like 20, 28, 58, 45, because some are spammy and some are more authoritative. You need to go after more relative backlinks, which give you more authoritative that will send power to your site. As for the keywords, you need to choose the right keywords too, because these are the potential client that will be searching for the service they are looking for and the area which is around them. Just like plumber Ellicott City, this is 150 search per month just for these keywords. Plumbers Ellicott City, 150 search per month. So these are 300 search per month that you're missing out. Plumbing, Ellicott City, Maryland, 80 search per month. So these are keywords that you might be missing out. And this is the position of the keywords. So once your content, backlinks, and citations come together and you start to outgrow your competitors, here's what you might be looking at and why this is so worth it. So these are a few important things that you need to do on your website to increase more traffic and get more business in. Please do leave me some feedback on this video. If you have any question, you may reach out back to me. Thank you. Have a great day.